Good morning, guys. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, Afro Carol Kitchen here. So today, make Sunday breakfast with me. I have some matooke which is already been peeled, and these are the things I'm going to put inside there: tomatoes, onion, and some carrots. So let me put it on the fire. Here I have some oil which is already been cooked. It has some green onion, it has some ginger, and it has also some garlic. Water to cut those things in. I'm adding in this oil. I hope you are able to see. I have some oil that I'm going to add in. Cut onion. Some people like frying the tomato. Carrots. I have chopping board, guys, so because I want to do faster, that's enough. Adding our salt. Look. If I put things together, and see the nail. Also our food is here. It's cooking. It's looking very nice. It's almost ready. And some meat. Unfortunately, it's so frozen. It will deep freeze from there. I have some little soup. The soup. It's very soft. Add some water in my tea. My milk. Look at my katogo. The meat or the offals had all the ingredients like roiko, turmeric, black pepper, coriander powder, so I didn't add anything. Just let it boil with that. Our milk is not doing bad at all either. Fruits, because we need some fruits. Always I make fruits on weekends. We do fruits and juice. This pineapple. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm doing. There it is. Here is our watermelon. This is our fruits, guys. It's done. So this other one here, I'm going to crush it into juice because this is the deep or the top one. mixed with some watermelon. My juice is here, it's ready. And sip. Now, so guys, let us dish our matooke here. It's ready. Done. So guys, our breakfast are here. It is ready, as we can see. We have juice, we have our matooke, and these are our dishes that we are going to use. For giving it a thumbs up, thank you for the good comments. God bless all of you. Afro Carol Kitchen here. Ciao Bella guys, I love you.